Hello everyone and welcome back. I wanted to step out for a few with this Silicone baby Tessa. Here's the thunder. Let's pick her up and let's step out of the rain. It's just starting and it's been thundering here for about a couple more minutes, and here comes the wind. But I wanted to bring her out. She is in this cute outfit with the whale. She's been in it for a few months. I love these buttons because they look like crystals, but they're plastic. I don't think she's ever going to be happy, but it is what it is. And here comes the rain. Her feet are so cute. I love the rain. It's so peaceful and calming. And I didn't get a chance to put my plants in order, but they'll stay out here in this setting until the rain is over. I think little Tessa here got some little raindrops on her arm, and I think she's really not happy about that, little girl. Oh boy. I brought baby Tessa back in to get away from the pouring rain, and I have her in the car seat looking out the window so she can enjoy the rain. It is really, really. And I will see you next time. Bye.